Oh man, it's hot today, bro. I swear to God. What's wrong with the car, bro?
Bro, what's it doing, bro? It ain't doing nothing, bro.
What the?
Bro, we got no engines, bro. You wanna tell me why we got no engines, bro?
Somebody took your shit, bro.
Alright guys, so today we are going to go to town to get a jack for my engine stand that's pitiful and sad looking over there. I think you probably see where I'm going with this. So I had to borrow my buddy's engine stand, or engine hoist last time because the jack on mine broke. Well, Harbor Freight sells a replacement jack, so I'm gonna go grab me one of those. We're pulling this thing off of stands and we're pulling the engine out of it. So that way I can do everything that I need to do to the engine myself. Because the problem, another reason why this car has sat for as long as it has is because I haven't had the help that I needed to get that transmission up in there. It's a pain in the ass to put a transmission in by yourself, especially when you have no lift and no transmission jack. So anyways, that's what we're doing today, guys. So I have my trusty dusty mask in the car, and because you know, don't want to catch coronavirus. And now I guess we are going to go get something to drink, something to eat, and head out. My snacking has gotten pretty bad, so of course I always got to get a Baja Blast, and then nowadays I also always get a Snickers. Man, this is why I'm getting fat. But anyways, we're about to go get the engine hoist, and the plan is in the next day or two. Let's see, I am off tomorrow and the day after and the next day after that. So I going to be taking the engine out of this car and doing everything for it on the ground. All right guys, so we're back home. I am now going to show you what we bought. So ignore the little rubber mallet because I needed that for a different project, but 3-ton round bottom engine hoist jack. We're gonna go ahead and put that one in my jack over there because, you know, jack broke. Just ignore how crusty this one over here looks. It's definitely been neglected because we haven't used it in probably a year and a half because the actual bottle jack in it broke. So we're definitely gonna have to get it out of its resting place. But basically just pull that bolt at the bottom and that bolt at the top, and this thing should just come out. So that's what we're gonna work on now, and yeah. All right guys, so there we go. New jack in, works pretty well, just as you would think it does. It's not tightened up all that much, but still, either way, it works. And next up, going to be taking all of this front end shit apart, taking the car off stands and pulling the engine back out. So that's what we're going to be doing tomorrow. So this is going to be it for today. So the rest of this afternoon I'm going to spend just cleaning up all this shit here under the carport. Just sat for far too long. But anyways, stick around for the rest of this video. See you tomorrow. All right, so this is, you know, what we've done so far today. Got the engine out. Probably not gonna record most of this stuff just to show you guys because you've seen it all probably 8 million times if you've watched this channel. But we're pulling this and going to get it ready to put the CD009 and everything on it here on the carport. And we've got all the hard stuff done, so we're just pulling the motor now. Gonna go ahead and get this pulled and set it out here on the carport. All right guys, so we now have the motor out. Perfect position for us to finish working on this, slap all this together and throw her in. So what's left to do? New rear main seal, flywheel, clutch, pressure plate, all that stuff. I have it. And then we need to take this shifter off the tail housing, replace it with my excessive manufacturing short shifter. I don't exactly know how well it's going to line up, but that's part of us figuring it out. It's adjustable for a few inches, so we should be able to get it going. But either way, I do know that that right there is not going to work. So that's pretty much all we have left to do. It should be a pretty quick series as far as I hope. Oh, one more thing, one major thing actually. The thing that's going to take the longest amount of time is we're going to have to drill in that little pre-cut slot down there for the master cylinders. That way I can mount my clutch pedal, because this is an automatic chassis car.
and is not already set up for the master cylinder for a clutch pedal and whatnot, but I have all of that stuff too. So I have everything we need, and then I have the drive shaft for the transmission. So for the most part, this should be a pretty quick little series. I'm hoping to have this stuff done within the next 2 weeks to a month, hopefully. So yeah, anyway, thanks for sticking around, guys. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up, and I hope you guys enjoy this video more than the last one about the FRS, because I know everybody here is subscribed for the Lexus. So appreciate you guys watching. Have a great day. Peace.